What's up guys, how you doing, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you in a simple language what trading is. I'm not gonna only tell you, but I will show you in practice how to make money in trading, so make sure to watch this video to the end because it's gonna be very interesting and simple to understand at the same time. For all your questions, in case you would have any question, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video, and also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000. We have this marathon every week, so make sure to join the marathon. And you can also text me today on Telegram to get the link to register on PocketOption, which will give you 50% bonus on your deposit. So make sure to find all these links down below. And without further ado, let's start our today's video. So today we're gonna be trading the currency pair, the Australian and the Canadian dollar. And let me now open a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. And I made this decision because the price is below the moving average indicator, which suggests the possible presence of a downtrend. And if so, the price may decrease, and that's why I made a down trade. And also I would like to add that at the time of opening the trade, the price has already increased to some extent, so let's monitor our chart. So as for beginners, they always ask the question, what is trading? So in the broad sense of this term, it comes from the word trade, which is very familiar to us. It is when you go to the store and exchange your money for some product. Then this is trading. But what is trading in financial markets? That's what we're going to talk about today. Any entrepreneur will tell you that the main goal in trading is to buy cheaper and sell higher. Some may add that it's possible to buy expensive and even sell more expensive. So therefore, the task of trading is to remain profitable. And our trickles of profit added to my account my first $273. That's our first success. Let's keep going. So when we talk about trading in financial markets, we understand all the same principle. So when a trader buys a trading asset, he expects that it will rise in price and he will be able to sell it at a profit. In addition, you can first sell an asset that you do not have, short sale, and wait for the price to fall and buy it back at a lower price. So that's also another angle of looking at it. Also, the financial market is one of the few places where you have the opportunity to sell what you do not own with the subsequent profit. For example, a trader analyzes a stock and concludes that the price should rise. It doesn't matter what's the current value of the price, high or low, but the trader assumes that there will be an upward movement and buys it in order to sell it even more expensive after a while. Because that's also the opportunity you have at this market. And I made a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. And the situation is similar, but despite the price overcoming the moving average indicator line, it could not gain a foothold above it and pull down. In addition, the line of the Williams-Arperson indicator occupied a horizontal position, and when the price increased, it gave me a signal about a possible decline in price. So let's monitor our trade and let's see why I made the down trade and if this trade will close at profit. Okay. And returning to our example, I would like to note or emphasize such a moment. So if the market, on the contrary, shows that the price will fall, then a trader can sell shares without even owning them, then buy them back at a lower price and eventually still make a profit. At the same time, the trader does not know for sure what will happen to the price. He assumes based on the law of supply and demand. And now let's monitor our trade about to close, and our trickles of profit added to my account again, $273. And let's continue our topic, and we can say that securities trading and everyday commodity trading are subject to the same principles. And the more a trader wants to buy something or buy an asset, the more expensive it becomes or the higher the price becomes. And at the same time, trading on the stock exchanges provides ample opportunities for earning and multiplying financial resources. But of course, you need to act competently, and the profession of a trader, like any other, requires practice, appropriate knowledge, and skills. But you should not immediately come to the conclusion like, this is too difficult for me and I will not be able to learn it. Okay, so you have to also keep that in mind. And now I made an up trade for $300 for 1 minute, and this time the price was able to overcome the moving average and began to consolidate above it. And once the upward movement began, it showed me the possible continuation of the upward movement. And in addition, the Williams line was also growing, and this gave me a clear signal about a possible increase in price, and that's why, guys, I made an up trade. So let's see how this trade is going to close. And let's continue with our topic. And you have to know that the modern world is changing rapidly, and the processes of economic development and innovative approaches to exchanges and trading in general force market participants, or let's say traders, to be ready for modern trends and react to changes, adapt their trading systems and strategies in accordance with the requirements of the changing reality or the changing market. And our trade is about to close. The price rose very rapidly, and our trickles of profit added to my account $273. So in order to become successful on the stock exchange, a trader must constantly keep his finger on the pulse and to monitor and understand the processes of the global economy. With experience comes the opportunity to competently conduct a fundamental analysis of the market, interpret and predict the consequences of economic, political, climate events and their impact on market conditions, and in order to use it in their activities and in their strategies in general. And let's get back to trading. I see that the price has increased very much, so let me make a down trade this time at $300 for 1 minute. And as you probably already guessed, I expect a price rebound from the resistance level, or at least a certain correction. So we monitor the trade again and continue with our topic. And for traders, there is a certain set of qualities that are necessary in order to take part in the trading market, and the ability to analyze and discipline. So strict discipline is the most important quality you need to have, and the market can be very insidious and throws up situations colored by emotions of thousands of participants, and the desire to join the general squall movement in spite of their plans can be a real test to any trader, because falling for your emotions is the first reason of losing. And our trade, okay, closed with a refund, but don't worry guys, we didn't lose our asset, we had a refund, so let's move on. So let's think about what skills a trader needs. So first, he should have a good theoretical basis. A trader should know the basic concepts of trading, and he should be able to correctly calculate his risks. And I made a down trade again for $300 for 1 minute. And the situation has not changed here. So the price is still at the resistance level while its fluctuations are clearly visible. So which confirms my expectations of serious difficulties for the price to grow at the current moment. So I also noticed that the Williams line was in the overbought zone. This is between the levels 0 and 20 and began to decline, which gave me an additional signal about a possible price decline. That's why I made a down trade. So let's see this time how our trade is going to close. And we continue with our topic, and let's talk about the skills necessary for successful trading. So knowledge of the rules of trading and its algorithms. Without this, unfortunately, it will not be possible for a trader to earn money. There should also be an understanding of how the exchange itself works, and in addition, you should be able to plan and adhere to the chosen strategy during your trading session. And our trick was a profit this time, and we made $246 because the payout has decreased to 84%. Okay? And we continue. I need to be able to track your psychological state, and you need to develop discipline, as I mentioned. And financial literacy is the key to success in trading. And you may have already noticed that trading is becoming more accessible in the recent years. So you can access it through your PC, your home computer, and even on your smartphone. You can access the exchange, and which you can do it online. And this allows you to start trading very easily and try yourself in this field. And nowadays, many exchanges have convenient online access. This provides more effective monitoring of prices and payouts, which opens up new opportunities for new traders and simply colossal for professionals, since the main tool of a trader is a technical and fundamental analysis, and the internet is the best environment for timely collection of information and operational forecasting of charts which is necessary for accurate determination of the future of the prices. So I would like to also add the world communities once created an international monetary system with the help of which we all now have the opportunity to earn money ourselves. When trading on the foreign exchange market, we have the opportunity to earn decent amount of money. After all, the value of such assets can float in the range of 4% during the day. That's the opportunity we have, guys, nowadays. And traders can make money within a few seconds by opening trades for a certain currency pair, based on their own assumptions that the demand for this currency basically is about to rise. And when it rises, they can sell it at a higher price and basically make a profit. And currency trading, or let's say Forex in general, is a powerful system for earning money. And many internet users and people who trust their brokers to manage their assets have the opportunity to make profit in this market. And now I made an up trade for $300 for 1 minute. And here I noticed that despite the successful completion of the last trade, the price still did not decline, but broke through the resistance level and continued to grow. And as a result, I had no choice but to follow the trend, and at the same time, the Williams line was also growing, which gave me an additional signal about a possible continuation of the price growth. So let's see how our trade is going to close. And let's keep in mind the entry points to trades. When you use the moving average, we see that the price is above its line and it continues to grow, which is an excellent option for entering a trade when we have a trend. So let's follow the development of our trade, and there is not much time left before it closes. Anything can happen at this moment. All right, here we go. And our trade caused a profit, added to my account $258. And guys, this is the end of our today's trading session. Let's analyze the results. So guys, out of 6 trades, 5 of them made profit, and I was able to make in today's trading session over $1,300, which is a good profit. The most important thing is that you tell me what you think in the comments below. And I've also discussed with you in simple words what trading is. And in brief, it's about buying cheap and selling higher. And based on this system, you can make a life out of it. And this can be your main source of income. All you have to do is to practice, guys, because you don't want to stay in this market for a long time, going nowhere. You need to practice first and start trading with knowledge, skills, and then you will see the results. So guys, I hope this information was useful for you and to help you make money in trading. And in case you don't have any experience, before opening any trade, you need to study the market situation very carefully and use indicators which you understand their signals to reduce your risks and be able to make money over the long run. I would like to advise you to study more about trading and take it step by step, and you will get there. And in case you would have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram is in the description below this video, and also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. Make sure to check these links below and to join the marathon. And to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me today on Telegram to get the registration link. And guys, if you like this video, please make sure to show us support, give us a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.